Hi guys, Nick here. Today we're back at Mastermind. We got some new Ninjago sticks here. Yeah, man, these weren't here last time.
No, they weren't here the other day when we were here.
Oh, look at this.
Well, that looks like the one you just rebuilt.
But there's a season 1 version
Yeah.
with golden zing.
I really like the looks of this one. This one here looks cool.
Look, this one has golden Nia.
Whoa. Alright.
Look, energy Nia.
Yeah.
And the water dragon that she transformed into.
Yeah. What's this one?
Temple of the Endless Sea.
Who's in it? Let's look and see
We
who's in it.
got calamari.
Yeah.
Oh, calamari, huh? It's that guy with robot legs, 2 European guards, Baphomet, Scuba Kai, and Erigenia.
Nice. And then we got that one.
Hydro Funky.
Yep.
Let's take a look at.
Oh, hang on. I'm still looking. We got this little neck guy here.
We got these two right here.
Yep.
And that dragon set.
Okay, and then we'll go back over here. We got some more infinity sets. What do we
And plus a what if set.
got? Yeah, the what if set looks really
And I saw this is a 2-in-1 set.
Oh, okay. Very cool.
And I am under Mayhem. And we were heading to the movies. And we decided to come. And we were going to the movies, but we're just making a start to Mastermind here first to see if there's any new Lego sets. If we decide to get a set or two, we're going to a little bit of a recording of a haul like last time. I'll see you guys in the next clip or video. Peace. I just came back from Mastermind, and this is what I got. It's the Ninjago set right here. The Ninja Sub Speeder. And the other Infinity Saga set. I am Manga Mayhem. And I just got these at Masterminds before heading to the movies to watch Space Drama New Legacy. And that's it for this little haul. And stay tuned for in a couple of weeks. We're going to be doing some Lego hunting at the Lego store in Guildford and in Guildford Mall. And stay tuned for better videos of these on both of my channels. Like, comment, and subscribe if you're new to both of my channels. And see you guys later, and peace.